Alright, this video is to record changing the screen on an Asus VivoBook S. First thing we're going to do is we're going to take off the bottom panel. There is 4 screws along the front that are all smaller than the rest of the other 8 screws, sorry. 2 of which are hidden. So I'm going to get the smaller ones first. Now, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These are bigger screws. Now the other 2 screws that are hidden are on the LCD itself right here. One's here, and then one is here. We're going to take off this little rubber thing. And we're going to take the 2 screws out of there. These screws are in between the length of the small ones and the larger ones. Next I'm going to do is I'm going to pop off the bottom using my isesamo. Just go around the edge and slowly pop it up until it wants to come up. Don't go in too deep so you're not hitting the board of the battery. Next thing is you're going to want to disconnect the battery, which is right here. You do that by pulling this little metal plate back and then lifting it up. Now it's disconnected. Now we will go ahead and take out the screen. To do so, we open this up. And we have to remove the outer frame. It just pops off. Alright, so there is no screws holding this screen in. It actually has 2 lines of adhesive that are very strong going along here. So I'm going to use my heat gun to loosen that up. And I'm just going to slowly pull it forward. And then the LCD connector is right here. Now I'm going to put in the new LCD. You don't have much wiggle room, so you have to have it right up next to it when putting it in. Now that the LCD is connected, I am going to test it out before I put it back on the adhesive. There we have the new screen.
Hi there, I'm Cortana, and I'm here to help.